Okay, I'd like to make a video to explain how to manually cap the head if power is off or by whatever reason you cannot move the machine by computer. So first thing you do is you can turn this knob. You can turn it, you see it can go up and down. And at a certain angle it go to lowest. It's able to stand still there. After that you can see there's become a gap. Then you're able to pull the carriage out. Then of course, the purpose is to wet the head. That's why you put the liquid. Refer to the other video on our channel. Then you put it back. Carefully align this head. You can see the head surface, the shiny part. Align with the cap. And once you think it's aligned, then what you do is still turn this knob, but in the other direction. When it's going up, once you release it, it will push by itself, and it's capped the head. If imperfect, you can repeat this process or use both hands, one hand pull, one hand turn the knob, make the life easier. Thank you.